This is the 2021 L-Class Barletta. This is a 25-foot ultra lounge Tri-Toon, powered by 150 horse Mercury. Great boat for these local inland lakes, a little bit of the bigger water. This thing can handle it. This is the ultra lounge. On this boat, unique to Barletta. So you have this front-facing seat here, or you can pull it back, make it a rear lounger, or you can actually lay this part flat down and make it a big bed, and then at that point, you'd actually pull up your rear seats and make a forward-facing lounger, as well as your middle. You could pull these up, turn it into a chair that faces the rear, which you can do on the other side as well. And then to really increase your seating, you push that back, and now you've got three-way or three-person seating facing both the rear and front of the boat. So you can sit 6 people on this lounge. You do have a center fill gas here with a couple cup holders right below the ski tow bar. That is built-in standard on these things. On the L-Class exclusively, you have a built-in cooler. This is designed to hold a dry bag, or you can remove that piece there and it drains right out to your bilge pump. You could fill this thing with ice and just have a huge deep cooler built right into the boat. We'll take a look at the helm area here. Really nice design. You get a Simrad 7 touchscreen GPS chart plotter with this boat. This is a power top standard with Barletta, so you'll have that option on there too. Hertz Marine audio. Really nice sound system, awesome head units. But a nice simple design, tilt wheel, plenty of room underneath for your legs. This is a reclining, sliding, and turning chair. You also have food and water bowl built in for the pets if you're not using it for that purpose. It's a great wallet and key holder so you don't lose anything. Monster ski tow locker as well in here, one of the biggest in the industry. Huge, really deep. That's the cover and the poles, and there's still a ton of room on each side of this thing. Trash can is built right in on the L-Class, right behind the front chase lounge there. And then this is a 25-footer, so you get nice big loungers up front. Get a whole nother cushion of lounging with these things too. It's a really nice look. Has the armrests built right into all Barlettas. Gives you that next level of comfort. And then right up front here, you've got anchor storage built right into the floor instead of into your seat, so that saves some room. Built right into that middle tune. So really cool setup there. But come on in and check out the 2021 L-Class 25-foot Ultra Lounge Tri-Toon offered by Barletta here at SkipperBud's, Lake Fenton Marina.